Hello everybody. Thank you for joining this session. In this video, we will explore the truncate columns option available in Snowflake's copy command. This option allows us to specify whether column values should be truncated automatically when they exceed the target column's maximum length. Let us begin with a simple scenario. Imagine we have a table, and within this table, we define a column with the type varchar, and length is 2 characters. This means the column accepts string values of up to 2 characters. Now suppose our source data contains a value that exceeds this length, for example, a string that is 12 characters long. By default, this situation would cause an error during the copy operation, because the value is too large to fit into the column. However, if we set the truncate columns option to true, Snowflake will automatically truncate that string to match the target column length. The copy command will complete successfully, and only the first 2 characters will be loaded into the column. The rest of the characters will be discarded. If the option is set to false, which is the default, Snowflake will raise an error when it encounters any value that exceeds the column's defined length. Without using truncate columns, loading this data would fail, because length of this column in source more than 2 characters. Let us try it first with the default behavior. Run the copy command. As expected, Snowflake returns an error: the character limit for the column is exceeded. Now, let us apply the truncate columns equals true option. And the result looks like this. Only first 2 characters are loaded from the source. This behavior is especially useful in situations where you do not want to modify the column definition, but still want to avoid load failures due to oversized values. To summarize, when truncate columns is false, values exceeding the column size will cause an error. When set to true, values are truncated to the column's maximum length, and the copy command completes successfully. This gives you a simple and effective way to manage column length mismatches during data ingestion. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please subscribe for more Snowflake insights and technical tutorials.